Yo, what's up guys? Dextech Pro with Android time. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to improve and upgrade your English vocabulary with the WordUp application. This app is cross-platform and available for Android, iOS, and Windows. You just simply search WordUp in Google Play and install it. Open it up. By the way, app works online, so your phone must be connected to the internet for sure. You can either sign up for free or log in as a guest. So I tap on Get Started. Choose your age, junior or adult. Next one is your level of English. You gotta tell the app what do you think of your English level. That app will adapt everything with it later. For example, I go with absolute beginner for this video tutorial. Then time to choose the accent. British or American, which I go for American. Time for assessment test. That'll estimate your total vocab size. Okay, here, when you know the vocab, you gotta drag and drop it down. If you ain't sure about it, drag and drop it up. I'll make some random choices that you guys better understand it.
Swim.
Press.
Soldier.
Dirty.
Vote.
Limit.
Truck.
Spin.
Brand.
Season.
Okay, here's the result. 5,750 vocabs estimated as an 8-year-old native speaker. Continue. Here it shows the most frequently used word that you didn't know in the test that we just took at the beginning. Guys, the artificial intelligence of this app is tremendous because it remembers what you did and trying to apply the changes based on your results. Okay, tap on Learn It. Now here's the magic. You can even choose your native language that vocabs get translated for you in the process of learning, which is totally amazing, isn't it? So tap on Native Language and choose your language. This app supports lots of languages as you can see here, but for this video, I choose Japanese as an example to test it. Then it starts to download the database from the internet.
Morning.
Here we go. Our first vocab is morning. It has the full definition, the pronunciation as you just heard, examples, part of speech, idiom, and everything that completes the learning of this vocab. Tap on Continue. Now, time to set the reminder and make learning as your daily habits. Tap on Select. Then choose the best time that app reminds you to start practicing your vocabulary, like when you just woke up, around the breakfast, way to work or school, lunchtime, way back home, or even in bed. Then you gotta set your goal like for how long do you want to practice a day? And finally, tap on Discover them to get started.
Connect.
You don't already know or should learn to teach the app which vocabs should be repeated or not when you're learning. So I made random choice again that you guys get to the point better.
Freeze.
Chain.
Node.
Student.
Fat.
Report.
Queen.
Bless.
Comedy.
Morning.
The first icon from the lower left side gives you the chance to learn DIP. It shows you the vocab that is used in quote of famous people or celebrities using short YouTube videos that you can just watch and learn, or from different websites. I mean, it's a lot, guys. You see that? These are the real world examples, the real people, so you'll be learning real English with an awesome app. And at the end of the list, it provides you some other vocabs, advising you not to be confused with them, which is another cool feature and I like it. Here is another way of learning vocab. As you can see, it asks you which definition matches the word morning. You need to select the correct definition. Hit on heart icon to explore the categories. For example, exam prep, if you are prepping for IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, GRE, or even SAT. Or other categories and themes like sport, family, fruits, furniture, cooking, clothes, animal, color, arts, business, geography, even Bible, medical, mathematics, computers, money, and more. So everything is ready for you based on your needs and interest on this app. And seems like they're working on new category, idioms and phrases, which is coming soon, and that's my favorite one. Means that this app never gonna stop providing new options and features for you to upgrade your level of English. Actually, their motto is upgrade your English, upgrade your life, which I believe that's totally true. Let's go with IELTS exam prep and tap on Uncover now to get started.
Point.
Final.
Rule.
If you tap on the picture itself, it takes you where you can learn more by a lot of examples, definitions, images, videos, and codes. By hitting on profile icon, you can get to your profile to check your progress daily, weekly, and monthly, which is super cool too. By tapping on gear button upper right corner of the screen, you can get to the settings menu. Sign up for free to log into your account from different places and devices to continue your learning. Changing the age. Changing the theme, which in my case dark is always my favorite one here. Or switching the accent from American to British back and forth. Turning the playing sound on or off. Or changing case sensitivity to upper or lower one. Translation language, you can choose and change it from here as well. Or tapping on show, telling the app where exactly do you want to see the translation, before, after, pre-English definition, or never. Or changing the goal if you change your mind. And the reminder, we just said it in the beginning. You can also change it from here if you wish. And this Chrome extension option is super duper, guys, really. It means that you just install this Chrome extension on your Google Chrome and surf the web. It highlights your new words, making them ready for you to look it up in app, taking your English knowledge to the next level. And that's the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Subscribe to DexTech Pro YouTube channel.